Let's take it out to the trash can. There's Lucy. Yep, Elmo's car. Pick it up. Here. Hold it like this. No, right there. And hold it up. Good job. Go. We're going. Take it. Come on. Right over here. Come on. Okay, it goes in here. Can you put it in here? Here, let me have it. Help, push it. Oh, thank you. Thank you.